Hey everyone, this is Chris again. Thanks for tuning in. I want to thank all my returning viewers and subscribers, and also welcome and thank all of my new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I did film this video like 3 times yesterday, and it kept bombing out because my iPad was full, so I had to get all the photos off of it. But I did get some yarny goodness in the other day from goodloopsyarn.com. I went and ordered a bag of each of their mini bonbons. This is the Eco Cotton, Eco Bamboo, and Eco Fusion. And the Eco Bamboo is so soft. I can't wait to play with each of these. Even their Eco Cotton, which I think is they're not as nice a cotton, is still, I think, going to be nicer than the ice yarns. So I did use a 4mm hook, and I got a 2-yard hank from each skein, and I crocheted it up to make these little samples. I know it's not enough to really get a good feel for them, but I'm too cheap to waste the yarn to make a bigger sample to see what I think. So here's my first thoughts. This cake yarn, Cake's Natural Cotton, I don't anticipate that I would ever use it for clothing. I would recommend it for dish towels or something along that lines. Not my favorite. Sorry, my phone was ringing. The next least favorite is, I think, this one. Which is Natural Cotton. Initially feeling it, it feels soft and you think you'd like it. But after seeing it worked up, I don't think it'll wear well. So it's an eh. Let's go to this one. This is, I was looking at it equivalent to Red Heart Rainbow. This is Cake's Cotton Fine. And this is how it worked up. And it's pretty soft. I mean, it's definitely comparable to the Red Heart. I wouldn't totally avoid it. I think though with wearing, it might not hold up well. I'm not sure. But I haven't worn anything with the Red Heart equivalent to see how that would hold up. Then let's go to the Natural Cotton Fine, which is the green one. I got a little bit bigger of a swatch. All of them were done with the same amount of yarn with the same hook size. It's okay. I don't think I'd anticipate making clothes out of it, which is what I was really looking for. If I had to, I might. Is it going to be my new go-to? No. Then let's go to Baby Summer. And in the ball or skein form, some of these felt really good and I had high hopes. The Baby Summer, sorry, I almost dropped it, is worked up to be this. And it looks like it's wearing well, so I would try making clothing out of that. And it feels fairly soft. That would be a definite try. The next one is Camilla Cotton. And I think this one, yes, is 100% mercerized cotton. This one is nice. Here's the sample. It feels nice. It's wearing nice on the label here, but you can really feel each stitch. So it's not like the bumps just kind of meld into each other and fade away, you can definitely feel the stitches, which might mean it will wear better. And then we're going to go to Camilla Cotton Magic, which is also 100% mercerized. This is Camilla Cotton. This is Camilla Cotton Magic. I don't know if that's because it's variegated. But to me, this one was a little less harsh of a definition. This is them together. You can see the stitches. It definitely defines the stitches. And then lastly is Cotton Bamboo. I do have to say, it's probably one of my favorite out of all of them. Now again, I didn't get to try all their varieties. I just ordered these because this is what I could get on Amazon, because my bank won't allow me to use my credit card on their website, ICE's website, because it's another country. But I might try again. It's been a while since I tried. But I did write them all up onto the little cards that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to do the bonbons next and just put little samples on here of those. For the price you're paying per unit, which isn't much compared to what you're paying for these units in the US, it's worth a try. I was going to say, even if you wanted to use the more expensive stuff for cotton, for your dish towels, it'd probably be okay. I wouldn't, I don't know. I think this is too thin to do it. I think that other one is better. I did order from Hobium 7 days ago, and I thought it would be here in 2 days. Sorry, scratch that. I ordered from Hobie, and I thought it would be here in 2 days, and it hasn't. Now, I want to show you this hat. I was a tester, and it looks like it's knit because the bottom is curling. It is crochet. I've never had a crochet hat curl like that. It's worked from the bottom up, and you can see the little flowers here and a little stem all the way around. And this is called Margie C. M-A-R-G-I space C. And you can find this pattern on Ravelry. It was a very nice hat to work up. It runs a little large in my opinion, and I think other people on the website that tested it thought it was a little large too. I mean, there's lots of room, and you know hats stretch out as you wear them. So if I made it again, I'd probably go down a hook size, and I would not use this yarn. This yarn is, I believe it's Lion Brand Jeans yarn, but it's the jean yarn. It is so soft, and it's 100% acrylic, but I just loved it, and I should not have used it because I loved it that much. And I just want to show you real quick. I finished this one. It was another test. I can't give you the name of it yet because she hasn't released it yet. I'm going to just give you a quick peek at it. And I made it so I could wear it like this over my shoulders in the summertime, or I can wear it like this. And this is 100% cotton, except for the pink is bamboo. I still think it's cotton. It's just called Bamboo Pop. But the rest of it is Barocco cotton. So this is the Infinity scarf. I really like it, and when I get the okay from the pattern designer and the official name and that it's out, I will let you know. But this is from the designer that did the Leto shawl that I like so much. I really, really liked it. And she is an excellent designer. This one is, I can't remember her name. I should have looked at before it came up here. I think it's RBS Crochet or something like that, but the hat name is Margie C, Margic, and it is really pretty if you do these in another color. But as it being a tester, I didn't want to stress over having to change out the colors. I wanted to just test the pattern and find out if there are any errors. So I just stuck to one color. And I think that's all I have for you today. And I think I got it done faster than my 4 or 5 attempts yesterday. But next time, I will have these little samples worked up. I don't know if you can see how nice that bamboo is. It is as soft as it looks. Here's another one in the same. These are all the little bamboo ones. And I believe a ball of the bamboo is $7.20 on Good Loops yarn. The Eco Fusion, which is 50/50 cotton bamboo, it's like $6 for 250 yards. I'm guessing, I'm not 100% sure. You'd have to actually go to goodloopsyarn.com to get the exact pricing. And Eco Cotton, which is 100% cotton. And it still feels lush. I want to make this with the bonbons into stripes in a shawl or scarf with some of the full skeins of yarn that I bought. And it comes in a pretty, all your yarn will come in a pretty organza bag. Excuse me. I ordered the 3 different packages and they were like 10, 11, 12 or 10, 12. The most expensive bag of 10 was $14. And you can't say what colors bonbons you want. You just get whatever random 10 they pick. They try to give you 10 different colors, not duplicates of any of the same colors in the bags. I don't know if she has any bonbons left because they just put an order in, and what it is, it's instead of having the knots on your skeins of yarn, they just end it and they make little bonbons. And so you can't say I want 100 vanilla bonbons. You get whatever runoff they have, and that's what they'll send you when you say you want 100 bonbons. You get random colors. But I think they were an excellent seller for Stephanie. But you can check her out, goodloopsyarn.com, and they take all the hassle out of getting this yarn from South Africa to us, for us, by getting it into New Mexico, and then Stephanie ships it out from there, and it is so nice compared to my ice yarns. I know Secret Yarny has used a linen one. Quite honestly, when I was in Florida, I made a shawl for my sister, and it's on my Ravelry pages as a project. I'm KB1901KB on Ravelry. And I want to say it might have been the pineapple shawl one, but a lot of times if I've done a pattern twice, you have to drill into the pictures and you can see the different colors. But the linen was very rough on my fingers. It was kind of, I didn't expect that. So, but check that out, and you can check out any of the other ones that I've made. And I am testing another shawl. I'll give you a sneak peek. I'm not feeling this one. I think if it were in a bigger yarn, it would be better. But I'm going to end it here and just go around and put the border on it, which are flowers all the way around. And then take my picture and send it to the designer. I've already added 2 to 3 rounds more than what she initially called for. But it wasn't bad. I'm just kind of bored with it, is all. It wasn't anything bad. I think I'd like it better in a fatter yarn. And I think I went down a yarn size from what she was initially calling. She was calling for a DK, and I said I have this Red Heart. It's a wrap yarn. Do you think it would work in that? And she said yes, it would work. But I haven't even gotten to the other color yet. I'm like, I want to see color change. I think that's why I'm really bored with it, is because I haven't seen the color change. I want to see the color change. So that's where I'm at. That's what I have. And thanks for tuning in. I have not done any more sewing after I went to Hobby Lobby and got those curtains and the AC Moore to get the placemats. But I'm hoping maybe I'll get downstairs right now and get some sewing done, because it's kind of warm out. Not really, but it's not freezing out, so my basement might not be so cold. So I can handle it for a little bit. So I'm going to go give that a whirl. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you. And again, have a great day. You are loved. You're appreciated. And don't forget that. This is an awesome community, and it's great that you're here. Have a great day.